Start recording. The only gripe with this Insta 360 3-meter carbon fiber selfie stick is when fully extended, it has like a massive bend to it, okay? So I can't really guarantee it's gonna still stay within our stitch line because, you know, when you go beyond that stitch line, then I can't really guarantee things won't be showing up in our frame. But hey, we'll find out. It's not straight any longer, so.
No, it's bent. It's bent.
And it's a massive one, you know, from the side.
I mean, this part is much lower than the part which you are keeping.
This is a hell of a 3-meter Insta360 selfie stick. Look at that, my God. Well, then I'll be able to get shots like this. You gotta say with a paraglider right there, we'll probably fly up onto this area and we'll capture his ass. Like fake drone shots, for instance. Start recording. Wow, cool. Look at that. Now we're able to get drone shots like this. And that right there. It's called paragliding, I guess. Something like that. Where Daredevil gets like an engine strapped to their back with a huge fan and the motor. It's petrol, it's gas powered, I guess. It's pretty dangerous. If you're a foolhardy type person, then that's gonna be your thing, right? Yeah, amazing. Got it from AliExpress. Look at that. Okay, that wasn't planned. It's a 3-meter. It's not the best, or maybe I just haven't gotten a grip of it. It's made from carbon, and so it extends out like a telescopic type thing, and then you just twist it together for it not to collapse back. And you should be able to get nice shots like this. It might collapse if you don't twist it properly. I don't know what the weight is, but it's super light. You're holding it just makes you know that it's basically nothing. The knockoff selfie stick, the 114 centimeter selfie stick weighs around 185, 190, give or take. Whereas the original Insta360 114 centimeter selfie sticks around 120 grams, whereas this is almost 200 grams or 250 grams. For 3-meter selfie stick, this is pretty much a steal in my opinion. It's 3 meters, and how could that weigh just 250 grams? It's beyond me. Yeah, like I said, you'll be able to get those 3-meter long fake drone shots. Like, as you can see right here in the screen. One other thing it does is, look at this. It has a 1/4-inch thing that you can screw your tripod on for those nice time-lapse shot or whatever it is you want to do. You want to balance your 3-meter Insta360 selfie stick on the floor to get those nice time-lapse. So you can just screw that on in nice and balanced. And even this U-rig is, you can also get this. I'll link this also in the description. This here extends out for more stability. You could use it with the 3-meter selfie stick. You could also use it with the standard Insta360 selfie stick right here. Screws right on. Let me demonstrate it. Insta360 standard 114 centimeter selfie stick right here. I already went ahead and attached this quick release right here. You want to have that so as to be able to switch between mounts here, and I'm just going to demonstrate that by showing you in real time. You take your Insta360 right here, and you have the base of your quick release. Here you have what the base of your quick release screws onto, actually latches onto. This screws on to the base of your Insta360, and this one screws on to the top of your Insta360 selfie stick, and they all come together in harmony like that. Look how easy that is. And if you had like a chin mount or maybe like a chest mount, I have some ankle mount, I have all kinds of mounts, right? When I'm shooting all those scooter, amazing scooter shots that you see in my videos, and that's how quick you could switch from a mount to the other one. And at the end of the day, you have a nice little rig like this. You could also put your audio adapter. I made a video about that. You guys probably already saw that already. You could also plug your audio adapter here, and then with your mount over here, and then you put the 3.5 millimeter cable to hardwire everything on together, and then you'll be transmitting directly from your receiver to your transmitter clip onto your shirt like I have here, and you'll get nothing but crisp audio into your video clips in your Insta360 X4. And that is the selfie stick right there. This is the original one though, not the knockoff version. It weighs something around 126 grams. You could pick it up. Doesn't matter if it's through Amazon or with the links that I'll be attaching down there in the description. And this is worth it. I got the knockoff version earlier and they broke in no time. I think after the third use or something, they just fell apart. But with this right here, I've been rocking it now for weeks. I've shot numerous videos with it and it's been holding on just fine. It set me back sometime, probably somewhere in the neighborhood of $25, I guess. 120 is what that's $30 US maximum. I'll leave a link in the description box. And when you're done recording, you say, stop recording. And it collapses as easy as this. It's not the easiest to operate. But once you get a hold of it, then it should be easier. Oh, twist. And twist and fold inside. And in case this isn't a cup of your tea, I have another video up here, and I'll see you right there.